Almás Rétes. Apple strudel. A dessert from Hungary. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Step 2. Place a sheet of strudel dough on a damp kitchen towel and butter generously with melted butter. Step 3. Sprinkle with a thin layer of breadcrumbs and top with a second sheet of dough. Step 4. Brush this layer with butter and sprinkle with a few of the breadcrumbs. Step 5. Repeat, making a second strudel base. Step 6. Toss together the apples, walnuts, sugar, cinnamon, and remaining breadcrumbs. Step 7. Spread half the apple mixture on a 3-inch strip down the center of each dough, leaving 2 inches of space on each side. Step 8. Roll the strudel with the aid of the towel, jelly roll fashion, staring at the long side nearest you. Step 9. Tuck in the edges of the dough and place the strudel seam, side down on a buttered baking sheet. Step 10. Brush generously with part of remaining butter. Step 11. Repeat with second strudel. Step 12. Bake the strudels in a preheated oven for 35 to 30 minutes. Step 13. If they are browning too quickly, tent with aluminum foil, but remove it 10 minutes before cooking time is complete. Step 14. Dust the strudels with sifted confectioner's sugar and serve warm. Step 15. Almás Rétes, apple strudel. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.